हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी इंटरव्यू वोकैबुलरीज जो आप इंटरव्यू में यूज़ करके स्मार्ट साउंड कर सकते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ वी हैव इज़ पंक्चुअल। पंक्चुअल इज़ समवन हु इज़ ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम। जो हमेशा टाइम पे होता है, टाइम की वैल्यू करता है, वो होता है पंक्चुअल। पंक्चुअलिटी एक पर्सनैलिटी ट्रीट होती है। यू कैन यूज़ इट बिकॉज ऑफ माई पंक्चुअलिटी। आई हैवंट मिस्ड a meeting in my life. I haven't get late for any examination like this, right? So next up we have is lifelong learner. Lifelong learner, आप keen learner आपने सुना होगा, उसकी जगह में आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं one who is always ready to learn. Means a person who kept learning new things. So you can say that I'm a lifelong learner, so I like to read this and this novel in my free time, right? Always use a story behind your personality traits and whatsoever you are saying, right? So next we have is accomplishment. Accomplishment means something you are proud of. That means कुछ ऐसा जिस पे आपको प्राउड है, जो आपने पास्ट में अपनी लाइफ में आपने अचीव किया, आपके अचीवमेंट्स क्या है. सो यू कैन यूज इट एज आई हैव सिक्योर्ड rank 1 in my intermediate examination, or I have secured first rank in debate competition. These are your accomplishment in your past. Now you always need to remember 3 points that I'm going to tell you. The first one is always use words with proof or a story. Never use a single word I'm a hard-working person. You need to support it with a story, right? Then only he will believe you. Then only interviewer will believe on you. Next we have is never use a cliche. Never use a cliche means cliche is something that is used by so many candidates, like I'm hardworking and I'm a team player. So these are the cliches used by every employee. So without any sentence, these are only cliches. So always support them with a sentence, right? Now next we have is never talk about your personal life. When you are giving a professional interview, so never talk about your personal life as you are giving a professional interview. So अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में वहाँ पे डिस्कस ना करें, राइट? नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज मेजरेबल. मेजरेबल मीन्स समथिंग दैट वी कैन वेरीफाई, समथिंग दैट वी कैन मेजर, राइट? लाइक एज अ मेजरेबल रिजल्ट ऑफ सो एंड सो वी गॉट द प्रोजेक्ट, सो एंड सो प्रोजेक्ट. ये आप इस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज कोलैबोरेशन स्किल. सो बेसिकली कोलैबोरेशन स्किल जो टर्म है वो अल्टरनेटिव है टीम वर्क, टीम प्लेयर. इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करने के बजाय आप कोलैबोरेशन स्किल इसकी जगह में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो कोलैबोरेशन स्किल sounds smarter than teamwork and team player, right? Now next we have is accountable. Accountable means responsible. So instead of using responsible, use accountable. It will sound smart. Accountability is also a personality trait, right? Next we have is Proficient. Proficient means when you are skilled in something. You can use it as I am proficient in Germany. I am proficient in English. I am proficient in so and so. So that means you are when you are skilled in something. Excel, any Excel, Tally, any skill that you have. Now next, when you are explaining something in a series, so you have to go like firstly, secondly, and then after that and finally. So go it in this series like firstly I have done so and so, secondly so and so. So you can use it like this. A point is, never use a cryptic abbreviations. When you are explaining something, never use a cryptic abbreviation like I have done MBA from IIM, I have done BBA from ABC. Never use them. Always try to describe full name. At last, I have a tip for you. Always remember, interview is a conversation. It's a conversation between you and interviewer. It's not a test, it's not an exam. So be enthusiastic, be confident, and crack it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.